Tips on how to be more successful at affiliate marketing. Some people say that the internet has taken the entertainment industry's place as one of the only recession-proof venues in existence. If that's true at all, then it's only true because of the billions of product choices that you can find online. As an affiliate marketer, you have free rein to choose which products you want to sell. Use this information to help you make the best decision. Look for easy-to-sell products when you first start out. In the beginning, you don't want to be advertising for something no one has ever heard of. It puts pressure on both you and the consumer. The best way to go is to look at what products are currently hot and start with those. Once you have established a base, you can move to more challenging sales. Harness the power of scarcity in your endeavors. People respond to offers with time limits or with certain limited volumes. If you use a scarcity plan though, make sure to follow through. Your repeat visitors will see if you said an offer was for 2 days only and it's still up 2 weeks later. A great affiliate marketing tip is to know when and how you'll be compensated by the company you're working with. Some companies will pay you every 3 months, while others might pay you every single month. Some companies might only pay you through PayPal, so it's very important to find out as much information about payment as you can. Being an affiliate is all about the product, as we alluded to in the opening of this video. However, it's also about following the other steps listed here, in order to achieve your ultimate goal. You will never stop learning about marketing as a whole, nor should you. You should follow helpful advice anywhere you can get it. Start with this video and continue to be a student of the genre. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.